Good morning, friends. How are you all? Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about marketing plan of DXN. Before starting my session, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for today's program. Most of the time it will be in English because there are some members who requested little bit Hindi also to be added. So in between, maybe sometime I may add something in Hindi also. Never mind. But most of the time I will be explaining the slides in English only. It is going to be a fantastic training. Why? Because many of the members across the globe earning through DXN loyalty program. So it is a golden opportunity to learn for you how DXN is distributing money across the globe. Today we are going to learn that. Starting from what is the plan, what is the percentage, how we will calculate each and everything we are going to share today. So if you are able to hear me properly, you can raise your hand because I'm not able to see you. I know, okay, many people are raising their hand. That means my voice is audible and you will be able to see me. मेरे को देख भी सकता है. Okay, excellent. I think my English will be simple English. Anybody who is speaking Nepali, Bangladeshi, Hindi, they can also understand my English because very simple English. I'm not going to use the complicated English language because I don't know also complicated English language. So nothing to worry. And moreover, we are going to discuss about many of the technical terms and terms used in the marketing plan. First of all, we should learn what is the name of the marketing plan. DXN is having a loyalty program. DXN is having a marketing program, marketing plan. What is the name of that? From there, we will start. So once again, because now also people are joining, so I will just maybe 30 seconds more I will take to start. Meanwhile, I welcome all of you to today's webinar, which is marketing plan of DXN. I take this opportunity to thank you complete Middle East management who provide me the chance to present this marketing plan before you, especially my boss, Mr. Salim Shajir, marketing director, who is assisting me and who is assisting you all people continuously for many years to develop the business. Thank you very much, all Middle East management and all Middle East staff and all members or leaders who are listening me. Today, one more thing I would like to share. If you attend this complete program, maybe it will take 1 hour, 10 minutes only. If you attend complete program and understand fully, then we are going to announce one marketing workshop that will be Zoom meeting with a limited number, maybe in July. That date will be announced soon. Only those who are attending properly this theoretical part, understanding all the theoretical part, they will be allowed to join the marketing workshop. Marketing workshop we will do. Earlier also we have done practical marketing workshop in the offices where we discussed the various illustration, how to calculate the bonus with the different examples and illustrations. So here also in the virtual meeting, in Zoom meeting, we will be planning to teach each and every member who are very much interested to know about the marketing plan, how to compute the bonus of DXN. Many people out of 100, many people does not know what is a marketing plan and how to compute the bonus, etc. One thing I want to share you, whether you are knowing or not, whether you know it or not, no problem, because company will calculate in a proper way, 100% correct way, and give your bonus. Whether you learn marketing plan or not, nothing to worry. But one thing is there, this is a business of team building, and you are going to become a leader, and you are going to lead a team of so many members, then naturally you should know marketing plan, because whenever your leaders are asking you, sir, please explain about the marketing plan, then if you don't know, what will be your answer? You will be in trouble. Maybe you are now Star Diamond or SSD or ESSD. When you become Crown Diamond or Crown Ambassador, that level, top level, naturally there will be question from your many leaders, sir, please give a session for marketing plan. Then you cannot say, I don't know marketing plan of DXN. Okay, आपको शर्म हो जाएगा, आप फंस जाएगा अपना टीम का अंदर. तो इसलिए आपको मार्केटिंग प्लान सीखना है, सिर्फ बोनस मिलने के लिए नहीं है. मार्केटिंग प्लान आप सीखो ना सीखो, आपको बोनस है DXN कंपनी देंगी, चिंता मत करो, वो कंपनी करता है.